Hogwarts. Our sorting hat. We put it down. I'm in Slytherin today. And we open it up. Makes down. And we have for notes or spells, quotes from the book, or any just general messages. We turn it over. And this one, we have a flame broomstick. And if we lift this side, we've got somewhere else that we can stick a photograph. And inside there we have a picture or notes opportunity. And with this one, we have the mirror, and again, somewhere to put your notes. This side, somewhere to put picture. This one's just come out, so we'll pop that back in there. And then on the fourth side, we have our magic frame and colouring our owl. Lift it up again. We have our wand, some magic, and 4 little opportunities to write some more messages, put some pictures, and add some memories.